Hey there, pioneers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a silver ingot in Subnautica 2. Silver is quite an important material in the game, since it's a requirement on most of the early game tools and buildings, but most importantly, its ingot form as well. You can make this inside the processor, and it will take 3 pieces of silver to make a single unit of it. But first, we need to know where to find some. Starting from the life pod, go straight north. Make sure you got some food and water as well, since you might need it, and also a wake maker if you have it, to make it faster for you to reach the location. Once you see the angel comb right here to your right down here to the left where there's a valley, go straight down and ride the current and then just immediately exit it. When you see this oxygen plant, there should be a cave nearby at northwest, and go inside. If you see this plant right here, then you're in the right place, and just keep going inside and you'll find all the silver you need. With all that said and done, go back to your processor and start making your ingots, and it will take about a minute for it to complete. And now you have your very own silver ingots in Subnautica 2. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.